Friends, welcome to 20 Fingers 2 Brains. This is part 15 of online shopping cart project. So in this part 15, we are going to discuss about how the user places an order with all his details and the entire checkout process, how the details, customer details are getting saved in the database and how all the product information is also getting saved in the database. So let's run our website. Okay, so here we have this website. Let me add some products to the shopping cart. We have 3 products. Let me increase the quantity of one of the products to suppose say 3. When we 3 the products and this is increased. So let user will enter all the information and will click on place order. When user clicks on place order, all the information along with this product information will get saved in the database. So here the important event is place order event. So let's go in the design view. In the design view we have this form, entire design. We have this BTN place order. When user clicks on BTN place order, there's an event which is generated. Here we have BTN place order underscore click. So this event will take care of saving all the product information and the customer information inside the database. So first we get First we declare products ID equal to string.empty. Then we have a data table DT. Then we check whether the session my cart is null or not. If it is not null, that means there are products in the shopping cart. We are yet to save them. Then we convert this entire session into a data table. And initially we save all the customer information. After saving the customer information, we save the customer products. So we create a shopping cart object, and inside that object we save all the information like customer name, email ID, address, phone number, products, price, product list, and payment method. So we get all this information from the text box on the page. So here we have the text box, name, phone number, email ID, address, products, total price, and payment method. So we get all this information, payment method, and we set it in this object. Then using this object we call a method save customer detail. The save customer details will have the method to call the store procedure. So initially we set all the values from the object inside the parameters. We define 7 parameters here. We get the customer name, email ID, address, product price, and payment method. All these variables are already declared as a part of shopping cart and they are public variables. So these variables are accessible on default.aspx.cs. Here you can access them. So from the text box we are passing the values to the shopping cart and we are calling the method save customer detail. We are passing all the variables to the parameters of the store procedure, and finally we are calling the store procedure sp save customer details. So let's open the store procedure. We have this shopping cart db. In the shopping cart db we have a section programmatically, and that contains store procedure. Inside the store procedure we have to create a new store procedure save customer detail. I have already created it for you, so let's open it. When you open it you can see the syntax. Like if you want to create it, you can create procedure name save customer details. This name should be same as the name which you have applied in your code. Then we specify all the parameters. This parameter name should also be same as what you've given in your C# code. Then we simply begin, then end with try catch. Inside that we have written a simple plain insert query. The insert query will take all those values from the C# code and insert those values into the customer table. So let's understand the design of customer table. To create a customer table, create table customer details, then ID, name, email ID, phone number, address, total products, total price, payment method, and order date and time. The order date and time will let us know when the order was placed. So here this order date and time parameter we are not passing from the C# code. We are set as a default get date. So this get date method, if you write this syntax get date, it will automatically insert the table, insert the record for this field whenever a new record is inserted. And here the primary key is id and it is set to identity 1 comma 1. So this line of code will insert the record into the customer detail. So whatever the parameter name should be same as we have specified here. So the customer name should match with the customer name, and the total price should match with the total price, and rest all should be the same. Once this record is inserted, we should get the latest inserted record. So this line of query, select @ identity as customer ID, will get us the latest primary key which is inserted by this query, and it will return. So when we get this as return, so this will return to dt. So dt will be returned from this because the return type for save customer detail is data table. So we will get the customer ID here. The customer ID is nothing but the transaction number which we are displaying on our screen. After that, we have a loop, and we using this loop we are applying on dt row.count. The dt is nothing but the number of products in the shopping cart. So if there are 3 products in the shopping cart, this for loop will run 3 times, and it will insert the customer products into customer products table. So here we are creating a shopping cart save products, and we are saving all the information. The customer products customer ID, that is the transaction number, we are getting from dt result.rows account, so that we can have a link like for this customer these are the products. That will help us identify which customer has placed which order. And then we have the product ID. The product ID belongs to this table and the total products. Then we call a method save customer products. The save customer products will have 3 parameters. These parameters are also already declared above as variables, and we pass the customer ID, product ID, total products to this newly defined variables parameters for sp save customer products. Let's open it. Here we have save customer products. This parameter's name should be same as this one, all these 3. Then we simply insert the records into the customer products table. Let's understand the design of customer products table. It's pretty simple. There's no primary key, nothing. It's a plain table. Create table, customer products, customer ID, product ID, and the total product. So once we save, first we save the customer details, then we get a customer ID. Then using that customer ID, we save all the products for that customer. Then we clear off all the session. We don't need anything in the session because the order is already placed. Then we get a my cart. The my cart will not have anything because it will go in the else part and display hide the unwanted objects. Here it will show the empty cart first and hide all the other panels. Once this is done, it will show the user with this message, your transaction number dt result.rows, and it will show panel order placed successfully. Rest all panels are hidden. Then it will send an email to the customer email ID which the customer has provided at the time of placing the order. Then once this email is sent, all the details, address, email ID will be turned empty. So in our next video, we will see how we are sending this email. Once the email is sent, the customer will receive an email like this one. I have already taken a screenshot of the email which I have received. Hello, the customer name, we have received your order. Your order number is 4. To check your order, click on the status, click on the below link. When user clicks on the below link, user will be directed to this page and track your order. And here the user can enter the transaction number, for example 2, and he can see the detail. He can see the details like customer details, products which he have purchased, and the delivery status. For example, for this order number 2, the order received at our end, dispatch process started, like this, whatever the status of that courier is. So let's fill all the information and place an order. Right now actually we have commented this email ID code because we will discuss this in our next video. So let's add the address, then select the payment mode, then click on place order. When user click on place order, order placed successfully, transaction detail are sent at email ID provided by you, your transaction number is 6, and here's what we get: track your order. So you can enter the transaction number 6 and check your details, name, all those information are displayed as it was provided by the customer. 3 products were purchased. The delivery status is not yet updated by the admin. So when this all these orders are received by the admin of this website, so let's go in the admin panel. In the admin panel we have this customer orders page. Customer orders page have just now received an order number 6 from MS Dhoni, phone number, total products, and the total price. So the administrator of this website can view the details as well. The same details will be available to him also. The only difference between this view and the view which is viewed by the customer is that the admin can add the delivery status, like what is the status of this courier or what is the status of this transaction. The admin can update it so that the user can come to know, and whenever the user checks the transaction, the user can see what is going on. So this was about placing the order. In our next video we will see how all the details are sent in email. So thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe our YouTube channel, and also if you have any query regarding understanding this video, you can put a comment on our Facebook page or also on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.